Hey, touch one?
Whoa. Okay, hang on. No! Hi Explorers!
Morgan and
Chris here, documenting our journey towards full-time family travel.
we are so excited to share with you this week that we have added a new member to our family, Penelope.
Our little baby, the DJI Mavic Mini.
Now, we named our drone Penelope because this is a name that we reserved for a girl in the event that we had one. And it seems like this came first, and we're super excited about it.
I've always wanted a third child. The DJI Mavic Mini, the everyday flycam. I cannot tell you how excited Morgan and I are to finally have a small drone that is going to come in so handy when we are traveling. Oh, it's glued. That's for safety, probably. Ooh. This is incredible. This is tiny. This looks like a toy. This looks like one of Jonah and Jude's toys. It is so small and it is so light. Oh my goodness. That is crazy. And I'm guessing this is the control. Okay. Oh, this is cool. So these fold down. How cool. And your phone goes in here and you are able to... Okay, these little things here, if you can see, these are the controllers that simply screw in. That's so cool. That is going to come in so handy for traveling because it folds all the way. Nice and neat, and you're not going to lose anything. How cool is that? That's amazing. Look at this. It is so small. It is crazy. If I had to compare this to something, it's like the size of my passport. Look at this. It's crazy. Some stickers to remove off the propellers. Oh, and they fell down. Whoa. So this drone actually, if you notice on the box, it does say 249 grams. DJI have made this drone to fly under the safety regulations without registering in the US and Canada. So drones that are under 250 grams in the US and Canada do not need to be registered. You can take out the box, charge it up, and go fly it. But however, if you are traveling with this drone, which I recommend because it's so small for traveling, very important, make sure that you check wherever you're traveling to that you register or look up the guidelines for that drone. So this is 249 grams, which just to give you kind of an idea of how much that is. That is pretty much how much one of my hard drives weighs. That's crazy, 249 grams. So right here you can see the camera and another sticker to remove here. It says charge to activate the battery before first time use. So that's very important, so make sure that before you use, you charge it. This opens up and in here is the battery. Okay, so the push and release, and this looks like it is the battery, which needs to be charged before you fly. So in this box we have a cable. Okay, cable, and oops, and that's as important, some extra joysticks for the controller should you lose them, and some extra propellers, and a screwdriver. This must be very important and vital to the operation, so we cannot lose that. I'm guessing maybe this is the propellers. Yes, so that will be for your propellers. If you replace your propellers, there's some propellers and some extra screws in there, so hold on to those should you break a propeller, which I do not plan on doing because that is scary. And then this one looks like another cable. This is for your iPhone to connect to your controller, I believe. Okay, this is for different phones to connect to the controller, if I am reading this correctly. I believe so. Okay, so we probably will just need the iPhone connection for that. There is no internal storage on the DJI Mavic Mini, but they do obviously have the micro SD card which goes in here, which you'll need to put in before you take your drone flying, which is what I am super excited to do. So I'm gonna go charge up this battery, which gives you, I think, 30 minutes of flight time. So I'm gonna charge this thing up and take it out and see what it's all about. After totally geeking out, I could not wait to introduce Penelope to her older brother, Jonah.
I've literally never seen you so excited.
Normally when I go shooting, I'm by myself, like for jobs and stuff, but I have a helper today, an assistant producer, and his name is Jonah. Say hi, Jonah.
Hi!
Are you ready to try and fly
The drone.
the drone? I've never flown a drone before, and we cannot crash it because it's on mud.
Crash it now.
Crash it, can't fly it. Is it like a toy? Hang on, ready?
Can I open it?
So these open up, so push this up. And then this one too. Yeah. And then
How you do the bottom?
this flipped over.
Okay.
Yeah, just gentle. Good. And then this side, this one. Okay, good. And then this here is a little cover that comes off. That's just the camera. You can take it off that one foot. So that's it. That's all the drone is right there. Isn't that crazy?
Can we put it on the table?
You can, but there's a little bit of snow in there, so you probably don't want to do it right now. Okay.
Yes, it can.
These pop out like this.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then these little joysticks pull them out. And you screw them in
Can I
like
screw
this.
in it?
Yeah, you screw this one in, ready? Okay, put it on top. You screw it in. So screw it towards the car. Yeah, keep going.
That's cute.
To us, me and Jid. Let's keep getting. This is the app for flying it, so. Okay, this is kind of. I'm getting scared now. Look at that plane. Oh, you know what? I bet it's because they're too close to an airport. That makes a lot of sense right now. Lesson learned. Always check your surrounding areas and check the flight map before you decide to fly your drone.
Luckily, my parents do live in a no-fly zone, and it wasn't too far away.
Hold it down. There you go.
I try.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Okay, so we do this and we go up. Where it's going? Oh, went around.
Look.
Hang on, can we see ourselves yet? Oh, there we are. Hi guys. Can you wait? Wait till the drone. You can see ourselves. Look.
I'm gonna go get it, okay?
You can't go get it. What do you mean you're gonna go get it?
Drop.
Hang on.
Let's drop. Drop.
Hey! Calm down.
Let's try.
Whoa. Okay, hang on. No, oh my god. Oh my god. Just wave. Hi. Seeing Penelope and Jonah bond just brings a tear to my eye.
Thank you so much for watching this week's adventure. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and ring that bell so we can take you with us on our adventures as we inch closer to full-time family travel every single week. And comment down below, what other equipment do we need for our travels? We are so interested in this. We think that we've got a pretty good setup, but we definitely are open to other ideas.
And if you like this video and you love Penelope as much as we do, smash that like button.
Have a great week.
Adios. Can you what?
Land it on your head.
Can you land the drone on my head?
Yeah.
I think if you landed the drone on my head, it would probably knock me out.
That won't.
If you want to fall, you can fall, I guess.
Should I do it?
If you want to.
Should I do it?
If you want to, go ahead. Oh no, it's Jonah! Seeing Penelope. Stop! It says authorization zones, connect aircraft. It says, how you doing? Say bye.
Bye.
Stop shooting. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry?